Unit 4, Lesson 2. Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Anderson. All of your kindergarten teachers are making this video together to help you with math. This is Summer, and then she'll probably be in a lot of videos, and then Bailey is having a nap somewhere else. She is also a dog. She will be in probably a lot also. We're going to get started with something that we've done a lot of in many of the classrooms. We're going to be doing our wiggle fingers. I hope you have both hands free. You also might want to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon, or if you have a whiteboard or a chalkboard, you might want to get that ready to have some practice with your number writing. All right, we're going to be learning about the number 5. I want you to hold up 2 fingers and then hold up 3. These are our partner numbers. We put them together. They equal 5. Wiggle the 2. Now wiggle the 3. Now I want you to really get those fingers wiggling. Put them up high. Wiggle that 2, and now wiggle that 3. What would that equation equal? Or be? 5 equals 2 plus 3. And I wrote that down already for you. 5 equals 2 plus 3. Now we're going to do a second one. You are welcome to write this one down as well. Same number of 5. Here's 4. If I have 4, how many do I need on this hand to equal 5? All right, 1. Wiggle the 4. And now wiggle the 1. I wrote down that equation too. Why don't you write that down? Does yours look like mine? 5 equals 4 plus 1. If you want to take some time later after this lesson to write down some more partner numbers that equal 5, that would be great. You can send it in a video to one of your teacher, to your homeroom teacher. They would love to see that. We miss you very much. Now we're going to get started with some bugs. I hope you're ready. We've got our numbers 1 through 10. We've got our breakaway stick, and we've got our little squares. If they have the dot on them, that means the bugs are awake. I'm going to turn all the bugs over because all the bugs are going to be sleeping. I also have the equal and plus sign. Now, let's count our squares to make sure that we come up with 10, because that's our number we're going to talk about today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 bugs are sleeping and 0 are awake. Now I'm going to wake up 1 bug and I'm going to put my breakaway stick there. Let's count how many bugs are sleeping. Remember, you could write this down too, just like I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bugs are sleeping. And tell someone nearby you, or your pet, or the wall, how many are awake. 1. Here's my equation. 10 equals 9 plus 1. You can always pause this video if you want to write it down. And if I'm going too fast, pause it so that you can write it down. I'm going to put back my numbers, move my breakaway stick down, and wake another bug up. I'm going to put that breakaway stick there. Let's count how many are sleeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bugs. And maybe you want to count, but maybe you just know. 2 bugs are awake now. 10 equals 8 plus 2 more. I'm going to wake up the next bug. Put my breakaway stick there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bugs are sleeping. And 3 bugs are awake. I'm going to take a moment and I'm going to write down a couple of these equations on this whiteboard over here. I'm going to put a 10 up here. I have to write small boys and girls so I have enough room. 10 equals, and my first one, 9 were sleeping, plus 1 is awake. Then I did 10 equals 8 plus 2. The next one that I have now, 10, here's my equal sign. 7 bugs are sleeping, plus 3 are awake. I'm going to come back to that every time. And put these back. Wake up that next bug. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bugs are sleeping. 1, 2, 3, 4 bugs are awake. Take a minute. How are your numbers looking? I hope they're looking really nice. I'm going to turn over the next one. Let's count the bugs that are sleeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bugs are sleeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bugs are awake. You know from our math lessons when we were all together, we don't have 2 5s. I wrote another one here. Let's read our equation. 10 equals 5 plus 5. Even though I can't hear you, I would love to know that you're still reading it out loud. It's extra good practice, plus it's kind of fun. Put this back. Wake up that next bug. Let's count the bugs that are sleeping. 1, 2, 3, 4 bugs are sleeping. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bugs are awake. Here's my equation. Ten equals 4 plus 6. Put over. Wonder if you guys are noticing any pattern or routine. I hope so. Let's count our bugs that are sleeping. 1, 2, 3. Plus, let's count the bugs that are awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bugs are awake. I'm going to write that down. 10 equals 3 plus 7. Here's the next bug. How many bugs are sleeping? Did you say 2? How many bugs do you think are awake? Go ahead and count them. There are 8 bugs awake. 10 equals 2 plus 8. Bet you don't have to count. How many are sleeping? And how many are awake? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it would be 10 equals 1 plus 9. If I wanted to, I could even have 10 equals 0 bugs are sleeping and all 10 are awake. And if I wanted to go back up to the top, I could have 10 bugs equals 10 sleeping bugs plus 0. All right. I do want you to take a moment and write this down. You might have to pause the camera or the YouTube video to get everything written down. Now, look at those numbers. Do you notice anything special about them? I see something. And then look at the second set. And look at over here. Boys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed your first or maybe one of your second or third YouTube video with us. We're going to get even better with this. Now what I want you to do is I want you to tell an adult or someone in your family, and they can record you, what you noticed about this equation, these equations that I wrote down. Did you see any patterns? If you get the opportunity, have your parents or an adult tape you, videotape you, telling us what you noticed and send it to your teacher, because we would love to hear from you. We're going to talk more about this tomorrow or the next time I do a YouTube video with math. Thank you so much, and I loved it. This was great. Have a good night or day. Bye.